So we are in Balatongyörök now, and we wanted to get here on the boat, but we apparently missed that because there's just only one boat per day, and that's in the morning. So we got here on the bus. And the positive side of this mistake is that we can put a sticker on the sign now. Are we gonna make it? Or yes?
Well, we have to.
Yes or yes or yes?
Yeah.
After that one?
Yeah.
After this blue one? Yeah. Okay, get ready, go! Wait. Do you need a hand by any chance? Bloody ladies.
Help your wife. It's spiky. Ouch.
Sign hunters! Yes! You missed it! Yes! Ooh, I'm also sweaty.
Boy.
Phew. But it's awesome weather.
It is.
Absolutely fantastic.
I do have sun cream on, Mom, don't worry.
Sign hunters, we are in Balatongyörök. That's how you pronounce it. Here we are.
Yes.
You can't see this every day.
It only happens once a year.
How are you feeling yourself, Kate?
I'm hungry.
Food is ready in a minute.
I'm pretty sure whenever you turn the camera on, you say how you're doing. I either say I'm hot or I'm hungry.
Look at that pizza. This is my favorite. And that's my favorite wife.
Favorite
Not because
wife?
I have another wife. If you come to Balatongyörök, make sure you visit my father's buffet. Because the food is absolutely fantastic. It's called Gomba buffet. It's just mushroom buffet. Are you still hungry?
No.
Not anymore. This is one of the most beautiful beach around the Lake Balaton. Okay. We are not sign hunting now, we are going into the lake. It might be cold though, but just watch my reactions, or watch Katie's reactions. I think it's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna watch you first. We'll
Right.
go in together.
Are you ready?
I'll watch you first.
Are you ready?
No.
You're not coming?
No, I'll watch you first.
I'm really hot, so I'm going into the cold water.
Are you going straight in?
Yes, I'm going straight in.
Go on then.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, god damn it. Oh. Great. But I'm getting it. I'm in. I'm in. Fucking cold, guys, fucking cold. But look at the view. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes, it's so good. So sign hunters, you're watching Laz in the beach of Balatongyörök. And this massive lake is called Balaton, which is the largest sweet water lake in Central Europe. From the western end to the eastern end, it's 77 kilometers long. Sign hunters!
You're gonna catch it though.
Thanks for watching us. See you soon.
Vigyázzatok, szia képikát. Aztán mikor jöttök?
See you later.